So, independent medical review, utilization review denials, they make you crazy. They make applicant attorneys crazy. But I still talk to clients on a regular basis, or I should say potential clients that come to me and they say, insurance denied my treatment. My doctor filled out the request for authorization. It went in and this utilization review company, UR, denied it. I don't know if I should even bother doing that IMR application. So there's a few reasons you want to do it. One, if utilization review denied the treatment, they determined it wasn't reasonable and necessary or medically necessary to do that treatment, IMR that appealed to Maximus is often your only way to appeal it. It's the only way to get another set of eyes, a different doctor to look at that utilization review denial. There's virtually no downside from an injured worker's perspective to filling out that IMR paperwork and getting another doctor to look at it. I have seen cases where very little medical reporting goes to IMR, but for some reason, a different set of eyes, different viewpoint, IMR overturns that UR denial. So first of all, you've got nothing to lose by filling out the IMR paperwork and sending that in to appeal that UR denial. Another benefit that you have is that when utilization review takes place, that doctor may only be looking at that doctor's report, that request for authorization, maybe one or two other reports, but that's it. Oftentimes, utilization review will deny treatments and say, well, the injured worker hasn't failed conservative treatment, or the injured worker hasn't tried enough therapy yet, because they simply don't have that reporting in front of them to show the treatment you've done, the treatment you've already gone through. One nice thing about Maximus with independent medical review, when they send out that request for information, you can send in medical reporting that goes farther back to show Maximus, the independent medical reviewer, a different take on it. So the insurance adjuster has a duty to send 6 months worth of treatment reports off to Maximus. So the last 6 months should be covered. But if your injury took place 2 years ago and you underwent knee surgery, let's say 2 years ago, you had another knee surgery 1 year ago, and now your doctor wants to try something new for your knee, utilization review may have denied it and said, well, maybe you need more conservative care, but you've already had 2 surgeries. When Maximus sends out that request for information, you have the ability to send in some of those older medical reports to provide a more complete picture. So that's another advantage. Not only do you get a fresh set of eyes looking at it, but you also get the ability to send in additional medical reports. So those are 2 important key factors with IMR. There's virtually no downside. I almost always recommend to injured workers that I speak to, if they're not my client, that they do fill out that IMR paperwork and then send in medical reporting. If you have questions on this video, drop us a comment down below. And if you like the video, hit the like button.